Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to trade gift card on Paxful. So as you can see, best practices buying Bitcoin with gift cards safely. So what you have to do is simply provide proof to your seller. So you have to give your seller proof that the gift card is valid, that you bought it yourself, and proof that you actually own it. Then another best practice is take screenshot or record your trade. Photos and videos that shows you're an honest trader will greatly help your case in the event of a dispute. Don't upload any photos until it's asked for. Before you go ahead and send it in your payment, wait for the seller to specifically ask you to send a photo of your gift card code. Don't redeem gift cards in a short period of time. Using too many gift cards codes in a short amount of time may lead to a merchant restricting your account. So these are the best practices. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.